Hello everyone, welcome to the Linux Int. In this video we are gonna talk about how we can install and use GIMP photo editor on Linux Mint. GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. It is a well-known free and open source cross-platform photo editor. It is available for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. It is powerful photo editor that you can get. Oftentimes GIMP is compared to the free alternative to Adobe Photoshop. In this video, I will show to you how to install GIMP on Linux Mint. Using GIMP, you can not only perform image retouching and editing, but you can also perform free-form drawing, image formatting and other things. As we know that the Linux Mint is Ubuntu-based distribution, so Ubuntu and other major distributions offer GIMP directly from the package server. We can use apt to install GIMP. So whenever you have to install the GIMP by using the apt, first of all you have fire up your terminal and then you have to update and upgrade your apt repository cache by writing on the terminal sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. So this command will basically update and upgrade the apt repository cache. Enter your sudo password and hit enter. Alright, the apt repository cache is updated and upgraded successfully. Now we have to run the following command on the terminal to install the GIMP. And the command is sudo apt install and now write here GIMP. Enter your sudo password. Press Y here to continue the installation process and hit enter. Alright, the GIMP is successfully installed. To verify the installation, go to your app menu and write here GIMP. You can see that the GNU Image Manipulation Program is installed successfully. You can also install GIMP by using the snap. Snap is a universal Linux package system. A snap package will work on any Linux distro as long as the Snappy Package Manager is supported. In order to install any application by snap, we need Snappy. If you do not have Snappy installed on your system, then write on your terminal sudo apt install snapd and hit enter. Alright, the snap package is installed successfully and now we need to install snap core. So write on your terminal sudo snap install core and hit enter. Alright, the snap core is successfully installed. And now we have to restart the snap services to take the changes into action. So write on your terminal sudo systemctl and now you have to write here snapd and hit enter. Alright, now Snappy is ready to grab the GIMP. So in order to install GIMP by using the snap, write on your terminal sudo snap install GIMP. So when you will hit enter, it will install GIMP on your system. You can also install GIMP by using the Flatpak. Flatpak is another type of universal Linux package. It is similar to Snap. A Flatpak package can be installed on any Linux distro as long as the Flatpak package manager is supported. So similar to Snap, we need the Flatpak package manager first. In the case of Linux Mint, Flatpak comes pre-installed, no setup is required unless you have uninstalled Flatpak at any point. If you want to install GIMP by using the Flatpak, then write on your terminal sudo flatpak install flathub org.gimp.gimp and when you will hit enter, it will install GIMP on your Linux Mint system. So these were the different methods of installing GIMP on Linux Mint. So once the installation is complete, we are ready to use the GIMP. So go to your app menu and search here for GIMP. This is the application. Open it up. Alright, this is GIMP main window. GIMP offers tons of tools and features, so feel free to play around. GIMP is not so simple that one can generally master all by himself. There are tons of guides and tutorials available all over the internet on GIMP. So GIMP is not the only photo editor. Of course, it is one of the best out there. However, there are tons of other photo editors that you may find interesting. So I hope you got the point that how you can install and use the GIMP on your Linux Mint. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. Keep visiting our website linuxint.com for more useful videos like this. Thank you.